As a mom, I love when we get the chance to do bubbles, but I don't always love how sticky they can be. So it's really fun when you can find different ways of doing bubbles without the gigantic mess. So I'm a huge fan of these bubble blasters. Plus, I love the coloring. They're so fun for the summertime and the 4th of July. I love that it's two. You get two of them so your kids can play against each other. And then it also comes with four of the solutions, which I think is great. So it's two per blaster. And then also what I think is great about these two is they could be refillable. So if you run out of these solutions, you could always buy others and then go ahead and put that in with there. These do take 3 AA batteries, so you can screw them in right there on the back. And then to use, there's this tubing that pops out in the bottom, and then you just screw the solution to the tubing. And then I love that it just pops right there inside of the blaster, and so nothing is hanging out and nothing's getting messy. It's all just contained right there. So they're really easy to use. I love that it lights up. It's really fun and entertaining, and then it always takes a second for it to get going. It's a typical bubble blaster sound. It's not super loud. They're good sized bubbles that come out. Just super fun. I love it. It makes a lot of it at a lot of them at once. And then also one tip that I did discover is you want to make sure, in order to make sure the bubbles come out, and don't get stuck like there for a while, you can do it and it doesn't seem like anything is coming out. You want to make sure this part is all the way at the bottom of the solution. I did notice that it can move around a lot and it can pull either way. So you just want to make sure you have that pulled and is reaching the bottom of the solution, and that will help the bubbles to continuously flow. So if you're looking for a fun summer activity, something to keep your kids entertained, you should check these out.